Hi, this is Claude and we're going to have a look inside. Here's Jenny and Andy's van. They've worked very hard to get him to where he is now. The first thing you'll notice is this unit, which has been handmade by Andy and his carpenter friend John, who've worked really hard on getting this looking and working beautifully. So if you lift up the lid here, you've got your sink area. On this side is the cooker. Underneath, your grill here. And it's all this beautiful wood, I think it's ash, with great grain to it. It's just lovely to feel and look at. This is where you keep all your kitcheny bits. What's great about this system as well are these handles, these pulls here. When you close them, they lock like that, so there's no risk that they're going to fly open when you're travelling along. You know, similarly up here we've got a locking bar for this cupboard, so you can just get in there and get your cups out for breakfast and then lock it up again when you're travelling. So the windows are like a darkened on the outside, so nobody can see them, which is great. You can still put the curtains up there as well if you want. Almost modernist actually, isn't it? Sort of collage design. Round this side here is your main eating living area. So at the moment it's set up for breakfast, lunch, dinner, sitting around. So that's the table made out of the same sort of wood. And this transforms into the sleeping area for 2 adults, or you know, it's a double bed area basically. You can see it's really solid, made out of the same wood as the unit over here. There we go, so that's the main part of the bed, and then at the back here we've got these really cool sliding bits. You slide out, drop that into place, and that makes up the back half of the bed. The same on the other side there. Drop the cushions into the middle and you're good to go to sleep. Then round on the other side here is slightly higgledy-piggledy left that. But that is a seating area for travel, but also you can make a bed here or just keep it as sort of extra seating. It's probably that one, possibly that way like that. So you can have that as day seating or the bed at night. There's also a canopy that comes with this, which is wrapped up over here. So the canopy kind of hangs in this area here just to make this a bit more private. So you know, you can get the kids to bed early, or just have a little bit of a lie down if you need it. There is storage up here, and there's a lovely blue awning that goes on the outside, which is really easy just to slide on with legs that you peg out. Up here we've got storage spaces. You've got a Bluetooth receiver for phones and so forth, so you can play music through the system in here. We've got a mood control unit, LED lighting, which runs under here and on this side, so that's really cool for at night. Yeah, everything runs off 12 volt like most of the vans. There's a solar panel on the roof. You have got leaf shutters, it's a lovely feature. So these acorn leaves, that's a window, now it's a leaf. Well, Jenny and Andy kind of come from a street theatre and performer background. Jenny has made all of the cushioning in here herself. Andy's done most of the work in the van, brought in John to do some of the carpentry stuff. I think it's taken them over a year to get this far, and I've followed them on their journey with it. It's been, you know, it's been interesting to see it finally come to fruition. There's games and kind of books that come as well, so you've got a kind of bit of in-flight entertainment if you need it.